Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I love drinking tea. In fact, I have it all day long, every day. And this gift set of tea assortments from Teaniru is just beautiful. When I opened the box, I couldn't believe how gorgeous the packaging was. This is such a perfect gift for the tea drinker in your life. Each of the three teas have a mild flavor. The Rooibos was my favorite. It has a tangy taste to it, but it's not real cinnamon forward, which is how I prefer my teas. And I love that it's not caffeinated, so I can enjoy it at night and know that it's not going to interfere with my sleep. Winter Spice is a black tea, which is caffeinated and has a mildly spicy flavor to it. It was good just by itself, but you could add a sweetener or a creamer of your taste. The green tea in the collection is a Kashmiri Kahwa, which has that subtle green tea bite to it, which is not overwhelming, and it does have tones of licorice and of course mint. It's a really nice digestive tea for after dinner or to give you an energy boost without the jitters. If you're looking to gift loose leaf tea to someone or you just want to enjoy it yourself, then I recommend checking out Teaniru, and that's my point of view.